in this video, we are going to look at how we can calculate body mass index. So both in metric units and how we can calculate it in US units. So let's begin with the metric units. For the metric units, we use the formula weight, which is measured in kilograms, over height squared. So the height here is measured in meters. So you can use any calculator to calculate your body mass index. But for the purpose of our video tutorial, we are going to use Excel. So we will type the numbers into Excel. So Excel is just an advanced calculator. So for instance, if your weight in kilograms is 70 and your height is 1.2 meters, then your BMI status is obese. You are obese. What if your height is 1.4? Then you are overweight. What if it is 1.6? Still overweight. 1.8? Normal. What if your weight in kilograms is 59 kg? You are underweight. So if your weight in kg is 59 and your height is 1.8 meters, you are underweight. So what if you have 55 kg and your BMI, your height is 1.3? That one too, you are overweight. So how are we getting these results in Excel? So when I double type here, you see that I just typed this formula. So the weight that I've entered here will be input here. So that cell is F11. Then over, this is F13. So over F13 times F13, that is 1.3 times 1.3, which is 1.3 squared. And that will give me the result. Notice that I started with equal to. So in Excel, every formula starts with equal to sign. So that is why it is giving me the result here. Then there's another formula that I wrote here that gives me the interpretation. So according to this formula, if your body mass index is less than 18.4, then it will print the result underweight on the screen. But if it is more than 18.5 but less than or equal to 24.5, then it will print the result normal. If it is 25 but less than 39.9, then it will print the result overweight. What if it is more than 40? Then that will print the result obese. What if we are measuring in US units? So for US units, the weight is measured in pounds divided by the height times the height measured in inches. But this time we have to times everything by 703. So if your weight in pounds is 170 pounds and your height is 100 meters, then your height is 100 inches, then you are underweight. What if your height is 70? Normal. Your height is 60. Overweight. Your height is 50 obese. Your weight is 184 pounds and your height is 45 obese. Your height is 58 overweight. Your height is 50 69 still overweight. Your height is 74 or 75 normal. So the same formulas that we wrote there, just that we multiply the whole thing by 703 to get that of the US unit, where the weight is measured in pounds and height is measured in inches. And when you come to this, it is the same formula that we use for the other one. So this is for persons with age more than 20 years and above. For persons with age less than 19 or less than 20, we use the same formula in the calculation, but depending on your weight and your location, the interpretations might differ from what you're seeing here. So thank you very much for watching the video up to this point. I hope to see you in the next video. Do not forget to share it and subscribe. If you like this video, just click the like button. And thanks so much for doing that. See you in another video.